Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. This is a silly video because it's a video to say I'm not doing a video. That may make sense, I don't know. Basically, I've been working in the garden today, coating up the shed, at great expense with my back, although that seems to have recovered since I've come back indoors. I'm not doing anything in the grow room because there isn't anything to do. I watered my mounts, and basically I've done a video of a walk around the garden looking at a few things and a chat about things in the garden and the progress on the work. That's on the other channel, that's on the Gardening and Bonsai channel, Roger's Garden and Bonsai, which, if you didn't know, is a second channel that I run. And that channel is never going to do anything. It's not in a market that warrants lots and lots of views. Most of the viewers I've got on that channel have come from here, from my Orchid channel, which, when I set up the other channel, I asked people to go across and subscribe, and quite a lot of people did, and thanks for that, it's appreciated. And some people have stayed and they keep their eye on that channel, and that's nice to know. But the pace of growth is minimal. It's not really going to get anywhere. It doesn't mean to say I'm going to stop doing that channel, because I won't. But the number of times I can post on there are a lot slimmer than on the Orchid channel, where I've got more going on. Although at the moment there's not so much going on. But yeah, so I'm going to keep the channel going. Those that like it will support it. If you know, there's a new video over there now. If you pop across, there it is on the channel. If you've got notifications set, you will already know. But if you do go over to that channel and you're not subscribed, it really would help if you did. As I said, if you subscribe and don't set notifications, you don't get pestered with emails, because that's what the notifications are. Basically an email saying so-and-so has just posted a video, you know. Well, it's fair enough. If you want those, then by all means set that. But if you don't want those, it doesn't stop you subscribing. You can still subscribe. And obviously, if you do visit the channel and there's a video there, the thumbs up does the world of good, you know, especially on a channel that's low volume, which that one is. And it's never going to be a big deal. It's not going to be a fast-growing channel because of the subject matter. It just isn't a growing niche market in YouTube. There are some nice gardening channels around, some of which do very well. But there's not a lot. There are some great bonsai channels, but not that many. And then there are lots of other bonsai channels that just tick over in the background. And that's where I sit. My Gardening and Bonsai channel just sits ticking over in the background. And I'm happy to let it be like that. But as I said, there's a new video over there, which is a look around the garden and a look at the work I've been doing. And, you know, if you're interested in that sort of thing, then by all means help out. But so today, I know this sounds daft because I'm actually filming an orchid video. There isn't an orchid video today. This is just a chat. And tomorrow is the Sunday chat, which will be a proper orchid video, where we will have a chat about the orchids and the orchid world, stuff going on in the orchid world, and we'll hopefully do a spotlight of some sort on the end of that video, as I do now and again. This channel, the Orchid channel, however, is doing quite well, and I'm well pleased. We should be up to 16,000 subscribers soon. If you can help out getting there, then please do so. It's all very well, I'm not having a go, but effectively, watching YouTube videos is free entertainment. The viewers get entertainment for no cost. No effort, no work, you're just entertained by the things you choose to watch. Those that put those videos up there do the work. They put the effort in. They do the work, they edit the videos, they think of the subjects, they do the work. And the simple reward is subscribe to the channels you like and do the thumbs up. That's brilliant, you know. So I leave it with you, but at the end of the day, you know, most of the stuff you watch on your TV, there's some form of payment involved. You know, you either have to pay for Netflix or whatever. You pay for your TV license if you're in the UK, if you want to watch practically everything. So there's an element of payment for most of the entertainment that comes on a screen. Even on your phone, you know, you're paying for something to get things up on that screen, and YouTube is free to watch. The effort goes in by the people who make the videos, and it would be nice to appreciate that and just give a little bit back. And the simplest form of giving something back to the creators that do the work, put the effort in, is to subscribe to the channels you like and you watch frequently, and do a thumbs up whenever you watch one of their videos. So, and here endeth the semi-rant. You can't call it a rant, I'm not being nasty or anything, but at the end of the day, we do put work in, us creators, and it's nice to feel that it's appreciated. And if it's not, say so. Well, if it's not, you wouldn't be here, would you? I think. Yes, that does make sense. I do talk nonsense sometimes. I got a degree in nonsense. See you tomorrow for the Sunday chat. Bye for now.